Whether you're rocking sneakers, boots, or heels, one thing's for sure. Your shoes need to be comfortable, durable, and most importantly, safe. But how do you know if your favorite footwear is up to the mark? That's where Alpha Test House comes into play. At Alpha Test House, they provide world-class footwear testing services. From testing the strength of the material to checking the grip, flexibility, and even water resistance, every detail matters. Alpha Test House uses cutting-edge technology to ensure your shoes meet the highest industry standards. Whether it's performance sports shoes or everyday wear, they've got it covered. They test everything, like the durability of the sole, chemical safety, and even the impact resistance. So you can walk with confidence, knowing your shoes are tested for quality and safety. Whether you're a brand looking to ensure your product quality or a consumer who cares about safety, Alpha Test House is the name you can trust for reliable footwear testing. If you want to know more about our services or have any testing needs, visit our website or contact us directly. Let's work together to achieve the highest standards in quality and safety. Alpha Test House, your trusted partner in testing excellence.